Hello students, welcome again to your maths class. So students, we was discussing about the division in last class. Okay, so in last class we discussed about the simple division and division without remainder. Okay, now in this class we will start our new topic, that is a long division with remainder. Okay, remainder means that when digits are not complete divided by a particular number and we will get at last a number, then that digit is known as a remainder. Okay, here an example is given. In this example, 29,683 is divided by 14. When we divide this digit by 14, we are getting a remainder 3. Okay, so it means that this is not a complete division. This is a long division with remainder, because at last we are getting a digit as a remainder. Okay. Now we will move to our exercise, and this exercise based on the long division with remainder. Now we will try to solve a part of this question. Okay, in this a part we have to divide 27,631 by 11. Okay, how we will divide it? We will write 27,631, that is divided by the 11. Okay, 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja, 22. Now we get 56. 11 5 ja, 55. We are getting a remainder 1. Now we will write 3. 11 1 ja, 11. Again we are getting 2, and next we will write down 1, and 11 1 ja, 11, and we are getting a remainder 10. Okay, so like this way we will solve our questions of this exercise. Okay, next question we will try to solve, that is a I part. In this part we have to divide 92,913 by 15. Okay, so we will write 92,913 and we will try to solve it. 15 6 are 90, 2 9 we are getting, 15 1 ja, 15. Now we will get 141, 15 9 ja, 135. When we solve it we will get 6, and we will write down 3 here. Now 15 4 ja, 60, and 3 is our remainder. Okay, 6,194 is our quotient, and at last what we are getting a digit, that is a 3, and that is our remainder. Okay students, so in this manner you have to solve the other parts of this exercise. Okay, hope you had understand how you will divide the long division with remainder. Now we will move to our next topic, and that is a division by a 2-digit number greater than 20. Okay, that number will be greater than 20. Okay, because after the 20 and the numbers which are greater than 20, those table we don't know. Then how we will divide it? Let's see. Here an example is given. Okay, in this example we have to divide 7,32,991. Okay, this digit we have to divide by the 45. Okay, so we will divide as we do the long division. Okay, and now we will check that our division is correct or not. Okay, so here first thing that you have to know that at last what we are getting, that is a remainder. As I told you, this number after the division you are getting, that is known as a quotient. Okay, now there is a 2 digits remaining, right? That first this one and this one. So 45 to whom we are dividing a number, that is known as a divisor. Okay, that is known as a divisor, and the number which we have to divide, that is known as a dividend. That is known as a dividend. Okay, so all the terms you had to know that from the digit we are dividing, that is known as a divisor. The digit which we have to divide, that is known as a dividend. After doing the division, the numbers which we are getting, that is known as a quotient, and at last if we are getting any digit, then it is known as a remainder. Okay, now there is a rule, there is a formula that by applying which we can know that our division is right or no, wrong, it is correct or incorrect. So our formula is that divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, and if it is equal to the dividend, okay, then if our answer is same, then it means that our division is correct. And if we are not getting the same answer, and if the answer is vary from the dividend, then it means that our division is incorrect. Okay, so in this example you can see that divisor is 45. Okay, quotient 16,268, remainder 31, and when we solve it we are getting 7,32,991, and that is exactly same with the dividend, right? So it means that our division is correct. Okay, right? So similarly you have to solve your exercise. In this exercise, first we have to divide the number as we do the long division. Okay, and after that we have to apply the formula to check the answer, as I will tell you with the help of the example. So similarly you have to also try to solve the questions. Okay, in question number 2 we have to divide the largest 5-digit number by the largest 2-digit number. What is the largest 5-digit number? That is a 99999. It means that 99,999. Okay, and what is the largest 2-digit number? That is a 99. So we have to divide 99,999 by the 99. Okay, and after getting the division you will get quotient, you will get remainder, and you have a dividend and divisor also. Next step, you have to check your result by applying the formula, that is a dividend multiplied by quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay, now we will understand that if we have to divide the number by 10, 100 and 1000, okay, then how we can divide it? First we will observe the division by the 10. Okay, so if we are dividing any number by 10 and the number is a multiple of 10 also, so directly we can divide the number. How? We will cancel 0 by the 0. Okay, and whatever the digit we are getting, that we will divide and we will get easily our answer. If we are dividing a number by 100, then in 100 there is a 2 0, it means that we will cancel 2 zeros. Okay, similarly we will apply or do by the 1000 and 10,000 and so on. Okay, so there is a exercise 5.5. okay, in this exercise we have to solve the questions and we have to get the answer. We have to find the quotient. So our first part is we have to divide 320 by the 10. So what was our formula? We have to cancel 0 with the 0. And now we are getting 32 divided by 1. And if we are dividing any number by the 1, we will get the number itself as a answer. Right? If we are see the other part, that is a D part. In this question also we have to divide 3900 by the 100. So in 100 there is a 2 zeros. We will cancel 2 zeros and we are getting 39 divided by 1. Again our answer will be a 39. Okay, if you will see the I part, in this digit we have to divide by the 1000. So in the 1000 there is a 3 zeros. We will cancel the 3 zeros and we will get 127 divided by 1. And again our answer will be 127 itself as a answer. Okay, so that is also a very simple exercise for you students. Okay, there is a next question. In this question we have to divide and find the quotient and the remainder. It means that these questions are not based on the complete division method. Okay, after dividing the number we will get some answer. Okay, and after getting the answer, whatever the quotient you are getting, that you have to write, and whatever the remainder you are getting, that also you have to write. Okay, we will see the first part. In the first part we have to divide 5233 by 10. So we will write like this. Ten 5 ja 50, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30. So we are getting 3 as a remainder, as we can see in the example. Okay, and our quotient is 523 and remainder is 3. Okay, so similarly like this you have to solve the division. You have to apply the division for the other parts of this exercise. Okay, hope you had understand that how you have to divide the numbers, how you will apply the formula to check your multiples after the division. Okay, so thank you so much students. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next class with the new topic. Thank you so much.